Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you cannot find your order or if you have got scammed, here's how you can directly chat with Aliexpress customer service and get help fast. First, open the Aliexpress app and now tap on the account at the bottom right. Now scroll down and find this option called Help Center and tap on it. Here, scroll down and find this option called Online Service and tap on it. You will now be connected to Ava, the virtual assistant. Here, simply type your issue like I didn't receive my order or contact a real agent. If Ava does not solve it, just type agent or chat with a representative until you get the real support. Let me type it. Second option can be using a browser. For that, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to aliexpress.com. And make sure you're logged in. Here, again scroll down and tap on Help Center. Scroll down and go to Online Service. Ava will pop up again here too. Same trick. Type agent to get human support. Also, if your issue is about refunds, open the specific order and tap Open Dispute first. Sometimes that works faster. And that's it. And now you know exactly how to search AliExpress support anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful how-to videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.